up, everyone? Oh my god, I've been missing you guys so much. I'm finally back. I have been dealing with a lot of personal issues. I have been sick, and also at the same time, I have been waiting for this slime to arrive. It literally took 2 months. I don't know if you guys know, but when you order slime from international countries, it takes a really long time. It just doesn't show up at your house the next day. So I order it from Amazon for somewhat of a cheap price. I'll link everything down below and basically where I got this from. But it did take a very long time to arrive, but I'm actually kind of happy with the stuff I received because it looks very different. It's very, I don't know, it's like very international-ish. You know what I'm talking about? Like slime from international countries, their packaging and their overall presentation is just so much cuter than slime that you could find in the US. So that's why, the main reason why I wanted to order slime from China, and just to also show you guys what they sort of look like. But anyways, I'm glad to be back, so let's get started with this video. Now, as you know, slime has come a long way since the days that I started making slime videos, and that was way back in the day. And I noticed that, first off, I can find slime almost everywhere in the stores. And secondly, I can order slime from different countries. And third of all, it has been so creative. Like, the slime that I've been getting is just very, I don't know, like, it's almost like they want you to buy the slime. And I'm a sucker for packaging. I definitely am a sucker for the overall presentation of a piece of slime. So this one is from China. And also I like the fact that they put different color pearls in it. I think that's like the first time I've seen different color pearls. Normally I see pearls as in like the pearl color, white or pearl. I should not say that. I shouldn't say it's white. It's pearl color. But anyways, so pearl white. Yeah, there we go. So this one we have a bunch of different colors, and we have a little bit of sparkles. You know, I like that. A little shine, a little glam. Reminds me of like a Disney princess. And also it comes in a turtle. I mean, I've not seen any slime that comes in a turtle except for this one I ordered from China. I wish that slime in the US would have more packaging, like cuter packaging, you know, just overall. It's like, you know, when you have a makeup palette, it comes in all different types of shapes, colors, and presentation. And so we are kind of moving forward to that direction. We're kind of getting slime that looks kind of cute, but usually they're from other countries. This one is also cool because I like the fact that they're using the turtle shell as a way to close your slime, because some of the packaging, it's I have to say, it's kind of hard to get the slime out of the package. Speaking of which, we have this very awesome pretty slime, and I know there's like Korean writing on it, but it does say made in China on the top of the lid, so that's why I'm also regarding this as a slime from China. And I'm crushing over this slime right now. It is so beautiful. The only problem is, as you can see, I cannot get the slime out for the life of me. It takes several tries to just get the slime because the opening is so small. I mean, I could just imagine if you have like bigger fingers than me, it will be really hard to get the slime out. I wish that they would make the opening a little bit easier to get in and out, but overall I have to say that it is so amazing. Or maybe they could just make this jar a little bit bigger, and that way it's easier to put more slime, but also kind of keep the, you know, the beauty of the slime and the overall thing they're trying to do. This is a pumpkin slime. I'm not really sure. I mean, I guess it kind of looks like a pumpkin, but I really thought it was more like a genie in a bottle type of thing. But yes, it's a pumpkin slime, and it was one of the slime that came with the turtle slime. So the other slime I'm about to show you guys, it came with the other one for like 1 cent. I'm gonna link everything down below. Again, I can't guarantee that you guys will get this stuff in a timely manner, and I can't guarantee that they have this stuff in stock, but I will link it on Amazon, because you know Amazon is a little funny sometimes. Like, you try to order stuff and then they send it to you like 3 weeks later, especially if it's out of the country, and sometimes they don't even send it to you at all, because I think I have experienced sometimes where I didn't receive my product. But That's a different story for another time. So I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested in what it is and the prices for everything. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot to mention what type of material kind of slime this is. It's very similar to all the jelly type of slime that I've been telling you guys over and over again that I love so much. And it's a very common thing in international countries for them to make slime like this. So I really like this type of slime, and I like the fact that it's clear because you can see everything that you put inside of a slime. So that's really cool, and it pretty much comes off your hand very easily, unlike some of the, you know, like fluffy slime that we make here. So this type of slime is easier for you to decorate, it's easier for you to pull apart, and also you can replay it again as many times as you want to. You just have to find a way to put it back in that small little jar. And finally, we have some egg slime. Now, this is the first time I've seen a slime in an egg. I really don't know what is the big deal, but everyone makes slime in an egg. But this one particularly is kind of prettier than the other egg slime that I have done, and mainly because one, they come in different colors, and two, they also have these pretty pearls inside. However, this yellow slime, I just have to mention, I feel like the slime to pearl ratio is a little off. There's definitely a lot more pearl than there is slime. So when you play with this particular one, or when I was playing with this particular one, it just felt more stickier, if that makes any sense, because I felt like there wasn't enough slime. However, this next one, you can see that there's less pearls and more slime. So in terms of playability, I felt like it was easier, like an easier experience for me. And also, obviously, you can see more of the slime and less of the pearls. And I don't know, you know, you can't really expect every single slime packaging to be exactly the same, even though they are made from the same company, because sometimes they'll put more decoration inside, sometimes they'll put more slime, and they're all very different. So I'm not saying they have to be twins, but it just is nicer when there isn't too much decoration inside. So this one, I would say, is a perfect ratio. And this next one is, oh my god, my favorite color. I absolutely love this color. This and the pearls just make perfect sense in my head. I'm definitely liking this. I would say this is my favorite one out of all the egg slime. And this one has like a lot of pearls, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's like the me inside of me wish there was more slime for my money. Like if I paid a lot of money, I want it to be more slime. Because again, you know, with decorations, you could always put the decoration in yourself. So yeah. And finally, we have this color, purple. It is the last color in this set. So there's 4 different colors, and the prices are something like $5.99 or $6.99. Anyways, I'm gonna link it down below. And for 1 cent, you get the pumpkin slime that I showed in the second part of this video. So I don't know who set the prices. I mean, obviously I'm not the seller, but basically you get this and the pumpkin for around $5-6. Anyways, I definitely appreciate that you get different colors of slime, so that's why I didn't want to mix them, because this color is so beautiful by itself. I really didn't want to combine the colors. Normally I do combine all the colors to show you guys. Maybe I still will in a future video, but I think they kind of look pretty good by themselves. This is definitely my favorite one as far as the slime goes, because I feel like the decoration really makes it come alive, and you can tell that it says it's made in China, even though it has Korean writings on it, but it is made in China. And I checked my mailing, that I saw that it was sent from China basically. Anyway, so I really like this, but I don't like how difficult it is to get out of this jar, and I can see the pumpkin resemblance now. But once you get it out, it's just amazing. packaging. This last one, I definitely feel like this is the winner for packaging. If you want a cute packaging, this is it, because when I saw this turtle on Amazon, I was like, oh my god, a turtle. Wow, I never could like imagine that. So I appreciate that they have a nice packaging. However, the slime is just okay. And if you like cute stuff from international countries, I have another video. Click on that video and it will take you to more cute stuff. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!